Now let's get started with the first opening. Yes, VIEH group. The channel itself is hiring for the cybersecurity interns. This is the URL from where you can apply. Check out the URLs, right? And this is basically this is two type of internship depend on your interview. Okay, that your internship will be paid or unpaid. But trust me, whatever you are going to be selected, you will be learning a lot of things, right? Now, next opening is basically in Dubai, and guys, this is for freshers. Fresher doesn't means you should not have any knowledge. It means you have a lot of knowledge, but you don't have experience, right? Next is information security engineer, which is in Dubai. They are the key responsibilities. They are the requirement, and this is the mail ID on which you can drop your resume. They are things you need to look for, right? Next opening is Security Operations Center L1 L2 Kuala Lumpur. It's in UAE, right? And two openings are there. First thing is SOC L1, 1 to 3 years of experience required. SOC analyst 3 to 6 years of experience required. This is a mail ID on which you can drop resume. Meanwhile, if you're not getting response, you can drop a message on this WhatsApp number, right? Next number is basically cybersecurity, IAM, and data engineer. 8 plus years of experience is required in SOC SME. DFIR 4 to 6 year. IAM business analyst 2 to 5. CyberArk 3 to 5. 3 to 5 for cryptography engineer. 7 plus years of cybersecurity engineer. Data intra specialist 8 plus years, and data engineer 5 plus years. This is a mail ID on which you can drop your resume, right? Now, next opening is basically application security AppSec, 5 plus years of experience required. Navi Mumbai. Their key responsibilities, the other thing, this is the mobile number on which you can message and you can ask for the job, right? Next is there are three positions someone is hiring for. Company name is Info Percept, right? So look it out. This is for the freshers, this is intermediate, this is the experienced folks. Mail ID on which you can drop resume, and this is what you can see here, right? And just see, guys, this is for freshers as well. You always speak like there's no opening for freshers, guys. This is the for freshers, like, right? So just check it out. And now the next opening is basically Ahmedabad Airport. Three openings: L1 network support, troubleshooting, and all those things. This is a mail ID on which you can drop resume, right? Now next opening is in Navi Mumbai. 8 LPA they can offer you 2 to 5. 8 years of experience is required. You'll be working as a pen testers, VAPT, right? Mobile app, API, thick client, and all those things. And this is the mail ID on which you can drop resume, right? That's what for today. If you have any questions, please ask. This is Discord. You can join Cyber Coffee YouTube channel, which is in Hindi. You can learn everything on this channel: cybersecurity, जीवन कैसे व्यतीत करना, and all those things, whatever you want, right? If you're looking for web recent pen testing, check out this one. If you're looking for associate, check out this one. That's what. Please ask a question if you have anything.